Good morning, everyone, and TGI Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. It is Friday. We have made it to the end of the week. Of course, this morning we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. All right, jumping right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are ending the week with U.S. stock futures slightly in the green. We had the Dow futures up 0.11%, S&P 500 futures up 0.10%, while NASDAQ futures are up 0.08%. Pfizer and BioNTech have submitted data to the U.S. FDA for emergency use authorization of their COVID-19 vaccine in children aged 5 to 11. So far, there is no vaccine shot available for this age group, and with the surge of the Delta variant and COVID cases, this approval is a step forward in protecting children and the overall population against the deadly virus. On September 20th, the companies provided data showing a strong immune response to the vaccine in children aged 5 to 11. The FDA has assigned a panel outside advisors to discuss the application and has until October 26th to finalize its view. The Pfizer stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 6.5%. RPM International has raised their quarterly dividend by over 5% to 40 cents per share. The dividend is payable on October 29th to shareholders of record as of October 18th. The recent hike marks 48 consecutive years of increased cash dividends paid to its shareholders. The company's annual dividend of $1.60 per share now reflects a dividend yield of 2%. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 18%. Online marketplace for freelance services, Fiverr International has announced the acquisition of an online learning place, Creative Live. With over 2,000 classes and 10 million users, Creative Live offers a wide range of learning opportunities across creative and business categories, helping them acquire new skills. Post the buyout, Creative Live will remain a standalone organization. However, Fiverr's online learning platform, Fiverr Learn, will be folded into Creative Live to cater to the needs of learners. The Fiverr stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 21%. Canadian-based cannabis producer SNDL Growers has signed an agreement to acquire Canadian-based liquor retailer Alcanna. The deal is worth approximately $346 million. Alcanna operates 171 locations, primarily in Alberta, under its brands Ace Liquor, Liquor Depot, and Wine and Beyond. The acquisition, which is expected to close in December of 2021 or the first quarter of 2022, is likely to generate more than $15 million of additional EBITDA per year for SNDL through synergies and other strategic initiatives. With just one current analyst rating, the SNDL stock does come in as a hold with an average upside of 8%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. Friday is quite quiet when it comes to earnings reports, and so is the beginning of next week, but we do see it pick up on Wednesday, when we'll hear from JP Morgan and Delta Airlines, and on Thursday we'll be hearing from Taiwan Semiconductors, plus another handful of large banks. We recently heard from American food company Conagra Brands, who came in with better than expected results for their first quarter. The company reported adjusted earnings of 50 cents per share, which was down 28.6% year over year, but did marginally beat analyst estimates of 49 cents per share. Their net sales did fall 1% year over year to $2.65 billion, but again did surpass the street's estimates of $2.52 billion. Based on stronger than expected consumer demand and lower than anticipated demand elasticities, the company has raised its organic net sales growth guidance to over 1% for fiscal 2022. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of over 8%. We also heard from U.S. frozen potato company Lamb Weston, who came in with mixed results for their first quarter. Their fiscal Q1 sales were up 13% year-over-year to $984.2 million, driven by an 11% increase in volume as demand for frozen potatoes increased. Lamb Weston also benefited from charging customers more for product deliveries and a favorable product mix. However, their adjusted EBITDA did fall 39% year-over-year to $123.4 million due to lower income from operations. Consequently, their diluted earnings per share shrunk 67% year-over-year to just 20 cents. Analysts do rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 37%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Momentive Global, who are up after talks of them receiving takeover interest. Under the ticker MNTV, they're currently up 9.8%. They're followed by PTC Therapeutics under PTCT, up 8.7%, and BRFSA under the ticker BRFS, they're up 8.3%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Allogene Therapeutics, whose stock is down after the FDA placed a hold on one of their clinical trials. Trading under the ticker ALLO, they're currently down 37%. They're followed by the XP stock under the ticker XP, down over 13%. And the Accolade stock under the ticker ACCD, down 8.2%. So that'll be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Friday and a wonderful weekend, and I will see you back here next time.